All right, welcome back. We are going to add one more step. So this time we have 4x squared plus 2x squared minus 3x to the fourth. So remember, we want to match up our base and exponent, and then we can combine those. So we're still looking for the matching base and the matching exponent. So here I see that all the bases are x's, but we have some exponents that are 2 and some exponents that are 3. So this 4x squared, the base and exponent is x squared. And here we have 2x squared. Base and exponent are x squared. X squared matches x squared, so we can combine those two. So 4x squares plus 2x squares, 4 plus 2 is 6, and then I'm going to keep my x squared. And then this 3x to the negative 3x to the fourth, I'm going to bring down the whole thing because I didn't combine it, but it's still part of the problem. So now my base and my exponent, they don't match anymore. I have x squares and x to the fourths, so this is when I'm going to stop. And that's because my base and exponents, they don't match. They need to match in order to add or subtract. All right, let's try another one. This time we have 6x squared plus 2x to the fourth minus 3x squared. So again, I'm going to try and match a base and an exponent together. So I'm looking for things that I can match. Well, here I have an x squared. And here's another x squared. So those two match. X squared matches x squared, which means I can combine these. So I have 6x squared, keep the sign with it, minus 3x squared. 6 minus 3 is 3x squares total. And then again, I'm just going to bring down the plus 2x to the fourth. I didn't do anything with it, but it's still part of the problem. So we're going to bring it with us. And now I have x squares and x to the fourth. They do not match, so I'm going to stop. Let's try another one here. 5m to the third plus 2k minus k squared. So if there's ever not an exponent, we know that that exponent is 1. So I'm going to fill in a 1. But here, so I have m to the third, I have k to the first, and k to the second, which means none of them match. There's no matches, which means I can't combine anything for adding and subtracting. So I'm just going to leave it the same. Next we have 10a to the third plus 2a minus 3a. So again, we're looking for matches. Well, here I can match a to the first and a to the first. So I can combine those two. So when I have 2a minus 3a, so that's a positive 2 minus 3, that's negative 1a. And then again, I'm just going to bring it down. 10a cubed, we didn't use it, but it's still part of the problem. You could have also wrote this as negative 1a and then brought the positive 10a to the third to the other side. That's perfectly fine. All right, let's try one more here. We're going to do 2a to the third plus 4a squared plus 5a to the third plus 4a to the third. This one's a little longer, but we can still do it. All we have to do is match up our bases and exponents. So here I have an a to the third, an a to the third, and look, one more a to the third. They all match, so we can add them all together. So I'm going to add up 2 plus 5 plus 4 gives us 11 total. So that's 11 a's to the third. And then I didn't use my plus 4a squared, so I'm going to leave it exactly how it is, bring the sign with, and leave it there. Alright, there'll be one for you to try on your own, and that's it for today. Have a great rest of your day. And as always, make sure you hit that submit button.